Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to perform a traceroute of the IP address or a website using Proxy Sale online service. In the context of accessing websites, tracing refers to the method of monitoring and examining the route that a data request travels across the internet from your computer to the destination server. This process helps identify where and why disruptions occur, such as if a website fails to load due to blocks, server outages, or interruptions in the connection path that prevent your request from reaching the destination server. Tracing can be crucial for diagnosing connectivity issues and determining the specific point at which the data transmission fails or encounters problems. To accurately determine why a website failed to load, performing an IP address traceroute is recommended. The Proxy Sale service enables precise testing of the data transmission path to any resource and helps to identify any connection issues that may arise. To use this tool, navigate to the More Tools section and select IP tracing. On the left, enter the IP address or website you want to access. Below that, you can choose whether to display the packet route by country. Then click on IP trace. Within a few seconds, you will see detailed information on the packets and the data route between your PC and the destination server displayed on the right. This data will help you identify the causes of potential issues such as slow website loading. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.